Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset. And before we will proceed, make sure that you've got the internet connection. And to be honest, I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data because of the backing up. It might, the files that you will back up could be big. So it is not the best idea to use mobile data. I mean, you can avoid charges using Wi-Fi. So let's go to Google account, and our device will automatically draw us to this section. So just tap on Next, tap on Add Account, confirm everything with your screen lock. So right here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password. So just do it and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, now let's tap on the on your account, and now we can decide what kind of data we'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data. So just mark the option, I'll pick maybe this one, and tap on Confirm. Now we can tap on Backup Details, and here we've got some further information like, for example, the how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and of course enter your screen lock, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.